Hello everyone, my name is Shubh Sharma and I welcome you all to this pre-market report. On a Friday session, Nifty closes at its day low that was below 25,200 and in future level Nifty just closed around 25,209. That is a very bad and negative closing for the market sentiments and from the technical point of view. Similarly, Bank-nifty closes below 57,000 and on futures level below 56,900. That also a very bearish sentiment and technical point of view, that is very bad close. That mainly happened because of the Trump tariff fear and Q1 updates. This week it's gonna be a very volatile market. This week 12 major companies like Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, HDB Financial Services, all these company new listed IPOs, all these hyped companies, hyped IPOs gonna put out their results, and market is being very cautious ahead of time. So you also have to maintain a cautious view because Nifty has broken a very important support. Next support lies in Nifty, which is 25,000 to 25,200. That I am telling based on open interest and option chain. Similarly, if you look Bank Nifty holds a very strong support around 56,700 to 56,800. So you have to watch these levels in your mind before looking any trade. So I'll be a buyer in this market till Nifty hold 26,000 levels. So these are the technical point of view I have given in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Reduce your position, reduce your leverage because this week gonna be a very volatile week. On Friday session, US market also fall because of the Trump tariff. Trump again imposed 50% tariff, 30% tariff on countries, European countries, Mexican countries. That is why the US market fell. So these are the major headlines. So this week gonna be also a heavy week with data. Another main important news is that this week gonna be an important data that which will be coming out from domestic, which is in our country. That will be retail data and inflation data. As expected, everyone is expecting the retail inflation data to come down, but let's see what the number will be. A lot of economists are expecting the retail data to come down. So these things you have to keep in mind, these news have to keep in mind, and watch out the levels on your charts which I have given, very important levels. And another important thing, if you look, except FMCG and except pharma, most of the sectors were in red. Even a lot of profit booking happened in small and mid cap. So be cautious while if you trade in options, definitely. And another main important news that Jane Street, everyone who were making videos that SEBI has tightened at Jane Street and all these things, our bank is back in the game. Friday evening, they have deposited 4,283 crores to SEBI. And now SEBI has given the green light for them to trade back in India. That is why I was not making any video, because when these type of things happens, usually they pay fine and get away all these things. So all of the people were like, now the retailers will be happy, now that there will be no manipulation. But look what happened. They are back in the game. Who was benefited? Retailers? No, the SEBI and the company. The company knows that in a year they can make twice as much as they have paid. So in the end, the retailer always get trapped. Remember, in stock market, someone's profit is someone's loss, right? So, Jane Street are back in the game. Now everyone will tell you that, oh, Jane Street now, SEBI is this, SEBI is that. But that's what we have been expecting, according to my experience. There are a lot of people who manipulate market. There are a lot of people who manipulate penny stocks. I know them personally. But they pay fine and then they get away from these things. These things never last. They never end up paying the price, never understand the thing. They with the money, the help of money, they can get away with anything. Right? That's life. So besides these things, Nifty looks little weak, Bank Nifty looks little weak. So be cautious, mark those levels on your charts and trade accordingly with a stop loss. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.